Good morning, everybody. We are at Walmart and I'm excited to share with you guys today's deals. So, I can't even hold my camera. So, I have been having back problems for 5 weeks. I have a pinched nerve in the back of my neck and it has affected my arm. My 2 fingers are completely numb. I have gone to a chiropractor. I have gone to physical therapy. I will be having an MRI next month. Yeah, and my arm just got worse. So, I just want to give you guys a heads up on my back/neck pain, but I'm a person who really tries to work out the pain. I am on meds again, so we got that going on. But yes, we are at Walmart, and that big bonus is ending soon. It is ending soon. I think it ends, what, Wednesday next week? I only need 23 more rebates to hit that bonus. So today I'm hoping I get a 5 off of 18 for the weekend warrior. It's a couple minutes early. It's like 10 minutes before 8 o'clock. So I'm hoping I can get a weekend warrior for $5, but I'm really going to try to hit that $23 bonus. I will be redeeming gift cards, so that counts as that. But I'm excited to share with you guys the deals that we can get at Walmart. A couple easy freebies for that Rockstar deal. They have it with Aisle. If you guys remember Aisle used to be huge and then they kind of slowed down. Now they're back again. But Aisle, every 2 Rockstars, or if you buy 2 Rockstars, you get $5 back, and then there's a Fetch Rewards deal. It ends up becoming like a moneymaker. I will have a link below where you guys can do it. But I actually got my money. They sent it to my PayPal, which was awesome. So it's an easy freebie plus an extra moneymaker. So if you guys need some extra money, there you go. But I started using it. It's coming back. It's coming back. But let's go inside and see if we can get 23 or less. Like I said, I'm going to be redeeming some gift cards while I'm at the store, especially in the beauty section, because all my stuff is locked up. So I have to pay for that stuff there, and then I can go shopping and buy other stuff. So just giving you guys a heads up, but let's go inside and have some fun while we're saving money shopping. Here we have the Hello 8-in-1 toothpaste for $5.96. You're going to pay $5.96, but there is a Ibotta rebate for $3 back that you can submit your receipt to, and you can submit your receipt to Shopkicks, where you get 350 kicks for purchasing the product, which is $1.50. And then there is a Shopkick deal. It is a limit of 1, but you get 50 points back, which is 50 cents, making this just $1.06, which is a decent deal considering this is toothpaste we don't normally get. Another deal you could get is the regular Hello toothpaste for $4.97. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, and then there is again another offer for 350 kicks for this toothpaste, which is $1.40, and then you can also get 50 cents back, so it's one or the other, but this also becomes $1.06 for that. Here we have the Arm & Hammer toothpaste for $3.98. There's different ones to choose from, but you'll pay $3.98. Here you can submit your receipt to Shopium for $1.50. And then we also have, up to your discretion, if you guys want to do the Shopium thing, because it does say this deal. But otherwise, we do have $1.50 with Ibotta, making this just 98 cents for some Arm & Hammer toothpaste. And I think that's an okay deal considering we don't get Arm & Hammer very often. So if you guys need that, definitely get it. Here we have the Poise pads for just $5.98. You're going to submit your receipt to the Shopium app, where you get 495 points for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.98. And then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you get $2 back, making this just $1.99, which is a pretty decent deal. Usually we can get them cheaper, but still $1.99 is a decent deal. Here we have the Kotex liners. You want to get the ones that are the 40 count. The 50 count only has 1 Ibotta rebate. This one has 2. So you're going to get those. You're going to end up paying $3.48. You can submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you get $1 back. We have another $1 rebate. We have 290 kicks, which is $1.16 through Shopkicks, and then you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta or to Shopium, up to your discretion if you guys want to do that. But this ends up becoming a 68-cent moneymaker. Here we have a great deal for the Bic Easy Rinse. These are $6.47, but we have a $5 Ibotta rebate, making it just $1.47, which is a pretty decent deal for some razors. We are going to get this L'Oreal Hydro Renewal for just $6.42. There is a $5 Ibotta rebate that you guys can get, making this, and it's just a limited one, but making it just $1.42, which is a great deal. So here we have this CoverGirl $4 Easy Breezy Brow for $4. It looks like it's on clearance, but they have a regular price on it. But we currently have a $2 Ibotta rebate with a limit of 5, so you can get that. And then there is a $3 Shopium rebate for $3 back. So this ends up becoming a $1 moneymaker. Otherwise, right here, my store has these eyebrow pencils. It's number 515 in the honey brown. It says it was $1, but they're 75 cents. You could also submit your receipt for that, and that ends up becoming an even bigger moneymaker. So I'm gonna get that eyebrow thing, and then I'm getting whatever they have of those, because that one Ibotta rebate is a limit of, is it 5? So we're gonna get up to 5 if I can. So here we have the Beneful dog food for $1.06. We have a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, and then there is a deal with Shopkicks where you get 100 kicks for purchasing the product, which is 40 cents. But when you go here to submit your receipt, it shows up right here for 100 kicks for 40 cents. This ends up becoming just 16 cents for a little thing of dog food. That's a great deal. So here we have the Bounce Instant Static Remover for $5.68. We currently have a Ibotta rebate for $2.85 back with that, so it's basically 50% off. And then you get 1,000 points with Fetch Rewards, which is $1, making this just $1.83, which is a pretty awesome deal. So here we have the Glade warmer, just the warmers for $1.78, and there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 78 cents. Along with the 2-pack for $3.48, and then there is a $2 Ibotta rebate for that, making it $1.48 or just 74 cents. So if you need 2 of them, this is a better deal. So here we have the Gatorade Fast Twitch. These went up in price. These were $1.96 last week, but $2.18. There's currently a $1 rebate that you guys can get with Ibotta with a limit of 5. And then there is a Fetch Rewards deal where you can get 1,000 points up to 3. So, and this just reset for me. I used them all up last week and it reset for me again. So anyways, they come up to be just 18 cents. So 18 cents, and that is 3 rebates if you guys want to do that for Ibotta. So here we have the Rockstar drinks. These are $1.88. You're gonna buy 2 of them and you will pay $3.76. But you get 950 points when you purchase 2, which is 95 cents with Fetch Rewards. And then there is that text you, which I have the link below. But you guys, if you buy 2 of them, you will receive a $5 money sent to your PayPal or Venmo. So this ends up paying, you pay $3.76, but you get 95 cents back and then $5 back, making this a $2.19 moneymaker. $2.19 moneymaker. So here's an awesome deal for some crackers. These are Toasted flatbreads. They're new. They're $3.48. You're gonna buy 2 of them and pay $6.96. But then there is an Ibotta rebate for $5 off of 2. You end up getting both of these for just $1.96 or 98 cents each. Awesome, awesome deal for some crackers. So here we're gonna get this Hidden Valley Garlic Ranch. If you guys haven't watched my taste test review video, watch it, because I tasted the Cheez-Its and I tasted the Garlic Ranch. This is a huge game changer and I'm gonna love this. But we're gonna get one of them for $4.88. Then we're gonna go down to the other area. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab 2 of these special flavored ones for $3.98. Make sure you check the flavors that are available in the Swag Bucks deal. But you're gonna buy all 3 bottles. You're gonna pay $12.84 for 3 of them. But you will receive, when you spend 10, you will receive $1 back with Fetch Rewards. You get $1 back with a limit of 5 with Ibotta, so you get $3 back with Ibotta. And then when you buy 2 of them, you'll get $2 back, and when you buy 1 of them, you'll get 75 cents back. So we're actually getting $2.75 because you can do this deal twice in 1 month. So that comes out to be just $6.09 or $2.03 each, which is a pretty decent deal. I'm gonna get the spicy ranch, and I think I might get the Parmesan ranch. So here we have the Bueno 2-pack bars for $1.46. What you can do is submit your receipt and you get 350 kicks. It is up to limit. You can get a limit of 3, which is $1.40. These come out to be just 6 cents. 6 cents. So I'm getting 3 of them because my daughter loves this stuff, and you can't beat chocolate for 6 cents. Okay, so I am back from Walmart, you guys. I did it. I got that bonus. Now, they had like those Make It Rain bonuses. They had it where if you got like, you could get 25 bucks, was it 35 or something, and then 50. I knew for a fact I was not going to hit anywhere near 50. So I'm like, we're going to downplay it. We're going to do the $25 bonus. And I needed 93 rebates for the entire month. 93, and today we hit it. We hit it. Yes. So I got everything that I shared with you guys. The Hello toothpaste, it's only a limit of 1. So one of them, if you get both of them, one of them you can't use the Swag Bucks deal. The other one you can. But I'm just giving you guys a heads up. But with the Hidden Valley Ranch, I did get the $2 and then the 75 because I bought 3 of them. So just give you guys a heads up with that. But I really wanted to get the Briar ice cream. My store did not have it, which is okay. So yeah, but otherwise I'm pretty excited with what I got. Especially that CoverGirl deal, 75 cents. 75 cents. So altogether, I got all those items that I shared with you guys for $89.23. $89.23. I did buy 3 of the Fast Twitch, and then I bought 3 of the Hidden Valley Ranch, and then I don't know what other items I bought that had more than 1. But anyways, $89.23. With Ibotta, I received $43.85 back, and I saw this. If you guys are hitting certain levels with the Ibotta app, I just saw somebody hit $10,000, and she got this really big swag bag. I don't know how you got it. I'm close to hitting $20,000. $20,000 that I have gotten back with the Ibotta app in almost 10 years. 10 years I've gotten $20,000. Isn't that crazy? I'm like $83 short. $83 short of hitting that. Okay, but I ended up getting with the Walmart rebate, I ended up getting $43.85. With Shopkicks, I received 2,660 points, which is $10.64. Shopium, I did submit my receipt for the Arm & Hammer, and then the CoverGirl, and the Kotex liner, so I got $5.50 back for that, and I got that money back right away. Swag Bucks, I received $3.25, which is $3.25. Fetch Rewards, I received 6,079 points, which is $6.07. Rockstar, I will be receiving a $5 PayPal payment. Like I said, you guys can do this deal too. All you have to do is click the link that I'll put below in the information. You guys click it, you can go to Walmart, buy 2 Rockstars, and you will get $5 back with that link, and then you can also get money back from Fetch Rewards. So it's a great deal. My husband really doesn't drink Rockstar, so I plan on donating all that stuff, and still it's a great cause. Giving it to people who want it. I always donate food. I'm always donating food. I have a garage sale coming up for a while, in a couple weeks, and in a box I always put food in there. I never resell any of my food items, but I'm always giving away food, and people are like, really? And I'm like, no, you guys have it. Have it. I don't care. So that's stuff that I'm pretty excited to put in there. But I did finish the Weekend Warrior. I needed 18 rebates for $5, so I got the Weekend Warrior for $5. And then I did make the 93 rebates total, so I ended up getting that $25 Make It Drizzle bonus. So yeah, But if you don't include the Make It Drizzle bonus, I ended up getting all that stuff for $9.92, which is still a pretty good deal. My goal is to get everything under $10, and that's the way it goes. So $9.92. I got 27 items, 23 Ibotta rebates. No, never mind. I needed 23 Ibotta rebates. But I got 27 items at 36 cents each. I ended up saving $79.31 if it does not include that Make It Drizzle. But since we're going to include it, everything ended up becoming a $15.08 moneymaker. I got everything for free and I made a profit, which I am pretty excited about. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that nice little haul that you guys can do. But definitely take advantage of the Rockstar if you guys can do that. Take advantage of the Kotex liners. That's a great money maker. The Gatorade, depending on what your store has, it could be an easy money maker. But yeah, and then that chocolate, 6 cents. You can't go wrong with that. My daughter already helped herself. But make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I love to help you guys save money, have fun saving money, and if you guys just enjoy my personality, make sure you subscribe to my channel so I can share with you guys a lot more stuff other than just couponing. But again, thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.